To prepare an extremely creamy ice cream, you can use frozen bananas. As a base, I find it perfect for flavors like strawberry or chocolate. Let's see ingredients and preparation for both of them. Before using the frozen fruit, leave it outside of the freezer for at least 10 minutes. For the strawberry ice cream, I use double the amount of strawberries compared to bananas. So here we have a pound of frozen strawberries and half a pound of sliced frozen bananas. We put everything in the mixer and in a very short time we have ice cream for 5 to 6 people. To top it, you can use fresh strawberries or sugar sprinkles or both of them. You have probably noticed that I have served the ice cream right away, right after mixing it. You can do it if you like a smoother consistency, or you can leave it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to have a harder consistency. Let's see the ingredients for a chocolate ice cream. 1 pound of sliced frozen bananas and 4 spoons of dark cocoa powder. Choose the one with no extra fat, sugar, and of course no milk. Mix it with the mixer and then serve it with hazelnuts on top. I found these lovely dairy-free white chocolate hearts, but if you can't find them, you can top it with more chocolate. Shall I start with chocolate or strawberry? And of course, if you have more ideas on how to prepare an ice cream with a banana base, please share them with everybody else in the class as a class project. In the next video, we're gonna learn how to make a fruity ice cream. As I have promised you in this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare a different version of the ice cream with a hand blender. I'll be using frozen fruits and dairy-free yogurt, just because I want a touch of creamy. But if you don't want to use the yogurt, you can just blend the frozen fruits and you will have a sorbet. Now we'll be seeing how to make mixed berry ice cream and peach ice cream. Just like I said in the previous video, before using the frozen fruit, leave it outside of the freezer for at least 10 minutes. Here we have 1 pound of frozen mixed berries and 2 spoons of blackberry soy yogurt. I'm not adding any sugar or honey because there's already a little bit of sugar inside of soy yogurt. Use the hand blender and in 3 minutes you have your ice cream. I'm serving it with gluten-free ice cream wafers. You can also add white chocolate flakes or fresh fruit. For the peach ice cream, 1 pound of frozen peach and white soy yogurt. Again, we use the blender. I'll be serving this one with candied ginger. These are my favorites, but you can use all different kind of fruits, just mix it together. So if you invent new flavors, share it with everybody else in the class as a class project. In the next video, we will learn how to make the Italian ice. In the summertime in Italy, we cannot survive without our granita or Italian ice. We all love it very much, and we all know that actually it's such an easy recipe to make, even without an ice cream maker machine. We just need a little bit of patience. It's just a combination of sugar syrup with fruit juice or any other liquid you like, just like coffee, for example. Now I'm gonna show you how to prepare the traditional lemon Italian ice and coffee Italian ice, and you will see what I mean when I talk about patience or the fork. For the lemon Italian ice, you use the same amount of lemon juice and sugar Here I have 7 ounces each and double amount of water. Here's a trick I want to teach you. Use untreated lemons, cut one into quarters and leave it in the water for at least 1 hour to release the flavor. It will be fantastic. To make the syrup, melt the sugar inside the water on a low flame. It doesn't have to boil. Then let it cool. Filter if you need to, and then add it to the filtered lemon juice. Put it in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Then remove it and then break all the crystals created by the ice with the fork. This will help you to have a perfect smooth consistency, but you will have to do this again and again, another couple of times. Take it out of the freezer 10 minutes before serving, and you can also mix it again either with a fork or a hand blender if you want the consistency even smoother. The preparation of the coffee Italian ice is the same, but the ingredients proportion is different. 7 ounces of freshly brewed coffee, 7 ounces of water, so the same amount, and 2.5 ounces of brown sugar. Add a vanilla bean if you like. As before, we prepare the sugar syrup, melting the brown sugar in the water on a low flame. Open the vanilla bean and add it to the liquid. Let it cool. Mix it with the coffee that has to be cold as well, and then put it in the freezer. Now you have to do everything you did for the lemon Italian ice. So 2 hours later, just break the crystal of the ice with a fork, then wait for another 2 hours and do it again, then wait for another 2 hours and do it again. It will be a fun evening for everybody. Let me share with you a little secret. Here in Italy, we eat granita Italian ice for breakfast in the morning with croissants. So you can organize a different kind of breakfast for your family and friends and tell them you know all about the Italian lifestyle. Of course, if you invent to try out new flavors of granita Italian ice, please share them with everybody else in the class as the class project.